thumbs. All thumbs. It is an idiom and it means a clumsy or awkward in doing or using something. That is, to be very inelegant and uncoordinated when it comes to working with one's hands. If you are not able to do some work with your hands properly, coordinatedly, that is called all thumbs in English. Let us see this idiom in the examples. The first one, I am all thumbs with arts and crafts, but my daughter is great at it. So you are not good at arts and crafts. You are not able to do arts and crafts in a good manner. You can't do with your own hands because you are all thumbs. You are not perfect in doing that. But your daughter is perfect. That's it. The second one, do I have to play the piano or guitar? Are you serious? I am all thumbs. So here you are asked to play piano or guitar, but you don't know how to play. That's the reason you say, I am all thumbs. I am not good at playing. I don't know how to play the piano or guitar. So I am all thumbs. Not good at all. I can't play. That's it. The third one, I never ask Raju to dust those expensive vases. He is all thumbs. Raju is not good at cleaning these expensive vases, anything. So that's the reason I never asked him to clean. Because he is all thumbs, because he doesn't know how to work on these expensive vases, because he is all thumbs. And the fourth one, I asked Rani to thread the needle, but she couldn't. She is all thumbs today. She is all thumbs today means she is not in a good condition to do that particular work which was given to Rani. What work? To thread the needle. She can't do it today because she is all thumbs. She is not good. She is awkward. She is not clear of doing that particular work today. And the fifth one, I wish I could paint like you, but I am all thumbs. I wanted to paint like you because I like painting, but I don't know how to paint because I am all thumbs. I am not good at painting because I am all thumbs. So this idiom is quite simple, right? It has come into origin with the idea that if all your fingers were thumbs, normally we have only one thumb to one hand. 4 other fingers are normal fingers. You would be unable to do many things if you have all 5 thumbs, right? If you have all 5 thumbs instead of one thumb, you can't do many things whatever you can do today now. So it is how this idiom came into existence. So if you have all thumbs to your hand, as you cannot do any work perfectly, if you say I am all thumbs, you are awkward in doing or using something. You don't know how to use it. Or you are not so elegant, or you are not coordinated in doing some work, then you are all thumbs.